Final match.
The referee giving the instructions to both the teams. And most importantly, they should play with a sportsman spirit.
Yellow House.
Well, sir, and then inform the table. They are changing the names over there. So make
We have the official photographer and the videographer, Newman sir,
not when the ball is on the court. When the ball goes on the
taking all the details of this event. Please.
Hey, bro! No zoom, no zoom. They are zooming and all. This is prime lens. No zoom. Take.
Orbia. Maya with the ball. Passes to Rafael. Wanta with the ball. Passes to Julius. There's a foul there. They've just begun the finals
Pause is there, no? The pause is
for the inter-house basketball tournament between the blue and yellow house, and the ball goes out. Passes to Adit. Adit takes in. Roshan with the defense. Roshan, Adit passes to Wanta. Wanta with the ball. Dribbles it. Looking for the partner. Passes to Julius, trying for three-pointer. Oh, misses it. Julius. And the ball is still with Yellow House. Wanta passes to Adit, tries for a three-pointer. Oh, misses it. I think all wants to take a three-point shooter, but the game says you must take it in. Rafael with the ball. Passes to Orbia. Orbia passes to Roshan. Back to Rafael. Rafael tries for three-point, misses it. Metosala with the ball, passes the long pass to Julius. But nice pick up from Rafael. Excellent tackle from Rafael. Metosala takes it and Nelson with the ball. Misses it and passes to Orbia. Orbia passes to Nelson once again. Ball is with Jason. Jason taking it ahead. Tough time there. Wanta, excellent defense by Wanta. Wanta takes it in. Still in control with the ball. Looking for Adit. Adit with the ball. Takes it in. Brings it in and passes. Misses it. Now the ball is with the blue house. Rafael with the ball.
here for Wanta.
Rafael takes it ahead. Rafael with the ball. Passes to Roshan. Jason. What an excellent game by Jason, three-pointer. Now the Yellow House are on the go. That's a foul there by Nelson, right? There's a foul there by Nelson. The ball is with the Yellow House. Passes to Adit. Adit tries again for three-pointer. Now the ball is with Rafael. Blue House. Blue House with the ball. Blue House. Excellent tackle by the Yellow House. Adit. Julius with the ball. Oh, that's a nice defense by Orbia. Adit with the ball, gives a long pass to Metosala, trying for three-pointer. Oh! Three-pointer from the Yellow House. That's going head-to-head. 3-all. Excellent pointer from Metosala. Now, Rafael with the ball. Blue House. Excellent tackle by Yellow House. Adit trying to block. Can't take it to the foul there. You can't hold the ball for a long time there. Now it's Karthik. Adit is taking and gives a long punt. Just that. First match 20. And the ones who have just joined us, we had a match. Adit with the ball. Oh yes, okay, the yellow house are confused. The spectators who have joined us, we had an excellent game before this between red and green house. Red house winning with 17 points. Methuselah with the ball. Methuselah with the ball. Oh, misses it. Blue house. Rafael. That's an excellent tackle by Julius. Julius takes it in and gives it to Methuselah. Again trying for 3-pointer. Adiyar passes to Rafael. Blue house is tackle. Excellent tackle by the yellow house. Yellow house is doing excellent job with the tackling. And that's good job. Adiyar with the ball. Trying the surprisal. That's slow. That was quite slow. Okay. Taking charge. No. Players keep saying wait for the referee. Do not come to the conclusion of foul. Roshan with the ball. Julius doing excellent job. Seems to be a foul there. Blue house with the ball. Rafael still in control. Blue house is still in control. Nelson takes it. Misses it completely. It's 3-all. The score is 3-all still. Jason with the ball. Passes to Wanta with the ball. Wanta. Jason trying to tackle him. Wanta still in control with the ball. Takes it. Passes to Adit. Oh, Adit misses it, but still in control. Adit taking it forward and passing it to Karthik. Karthik, yes, it's 2 points for the yellow house. It's 5, yellow house leading with 5 points. It's 5-3 to yellow house. Oh, Rafael trying to foul there. Foul, players. Blue house in control with the ball. Trying to shoot off. This is it. Nelson brings it in. And puts it out. The students were very close. Nelson, towards your right. Adit with the ball. Julia though. That's still in control with the yellow house. The boys there, you're very close to the line. Kindly go 2 steps back. 1 minute remaining for the first quarter. 1 minute. Methuselah tries out. It was close. Rafael with the ball.
Quite close. Yeah.
Adit controlling him and Rafael takes it ahead. Rafael with the ball. Tries for the 3-pointer. Oh, no. It's actually with the next from outside. It's 30 seconds. 30 seconds. The game is going tough here, very close. And Wanta passes to Methuselah. Methuselah passes to Karthik. Karthik has a good chance. Misses it. Karthik misses it. Adiyar. We have 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Oh, wait. We have to count it again from 7. It's 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exactly at the last second. Nelson is trying to pass to Rafael, is about to shoot for 3 points and he misses. And the ball is hit. The yellow house, Julius. And he missed. Come on, Blue House. One and only there. And he misses a shoot there. And that's a foul, I guess. The Blue House gets shoot. Jason, and he missed, and one more chance for him. Okay, try to follow the instructions. And he runs. That is 1 point. 1 point for Blue House. And the score is Yellow House 7 points and the Blue House 4 points. Vanta with the ball, and Yellow House is planning some strategies. You can see there, Vanta is still carrying the ball, and Hardik, and still Vanta is having, and Julius missed the basket, but it took 2 points. Yellow House 2 points. Yellow House is doing pretty well. Come on, Blue House, you have to come out with some strategies. Rafael with the ball, and he is trying to pass to his teammates. And the ball goes to Pritam, and Pritam missed it. Calling the attention of 10th E students, can you report to their respective class? The ball is with the Yellow House. Pritam, and he passed to Rafael. Rafael is trying to shoot from missed it, 3 points. And Nelson is trying his best. Nelson is trying his best. And Julius going with the wing like football. He's a football player. He's going with the Pritam with the ball. And Pritam is still with the ball. And Vanta, Yellow House, and easy goes there and he missed. The Blue House is going again. And he need to pass, and Rafael with the ball. Foul. Julius with the ball again. Adit is having the ball, trying to locate his team members. And they are onto some good strategies. I can see here, ball with, and they miss out. Pritam, Rafael with the ball, trying to locate his team members. Mark your player. Rafael still dribbling and trying to pass, and the ball is with 2 points. Blue House gets 2 points. Blue House gets 2 points. So 6 and 9. Oh wow, that was an amazing shoot, but he missed it. Rafael passes to Pritam, and Pritam is trying to put in, and he missed the basket. Yellow, Methuselah passes to Vanta. Vanta is trying to find out his team members, and he shoots and misses, and the ball is with Rafael is trying to locate. Come on, Blue House, you need to score some points. Blue House trying to locate the team members, and Pritam tries to pass. Vantas with the ball and goes to Adit, and should be a good one. Oh yeah, 2 points for the Blue House. 2 points for the winner. 9th E students, kindly go to your respective class. 9th E students, please report to your class. Rafael tries to shoot, and he missed 3 points. Still Rafael is having the ball. 19 students, this is the last and final call for you. Report to your class immediately. 90 students. Vanta with the ball, trying to locate and pass the ball to the teammates. And you can see Julius and Adit moving other side. And Rafael, once again against the ball, trying to pass. And he missed the foul there. Methuselah with the foul. And Rafael is passing the ball. Blue Houston, Rafael is carrying the ball. And the ball goes to the yellow house and Adit. And is trying to shoot. Oh, 2 points. Yellow house gets 2 points. To resume the game now after the timeout. Methuselah, the longest person lived on this earth. And Adit with the ball. And he shoots for a misses. And the Blue House is having the ball. And again, Julius. Oh, he missed. Rafael still with the ball, trying to pass. And he shoots and he missed. Adit with the ball. And trying to locate his team members. And that is a missed again. Nelson with the ball. And Blue House is still having the ball. And he's trying to pass to Nelson. Nelson is really struggling to put a goal. Nelson is trying to pass. Okay, Vanta, Yellow House, Methuselah. Methuselah is trying to locate his two members and Adit. And he missed. Once again to Adit. And he still misses it. Adit gets another. Methuselah wants to try for 3 points and he missed. The ball is with Vanta and Adit again once again. And this time Methuselah again he missed. Come on, Blue House. 30 seconds remaining. Blue House again tries to get that miss. Ball again with Vanta. And trying to locate. And Vanta missed it. Nelson, we have 15 seconds.
Last 15 seconds.
Okay, foul on Nelson, I guess. 15 seconds. 10 seconds are remaining. And he missed. 7. Okay, listen, we'll stop the time. The 7 seconds we have. 4, 3, 2, 1, and is time out. Rafael is carrying the ball. Trying to locate his team members. And the Blue House is still possessing the ball, and ball is with Adit. Adit is passed to Julius, and Julius missed the basket. Blue House is struggling to locate his team members, and the ball is with Hardik. Hardik is passed to Julius. Julius to Adit, and that is a simple misfinish. Still they are struggling there. Okay, Blue House is having the ball, and ball is taken by Vanta. Vanta is trying to locate, and that's a foul. Foul by the referee. And Rafael is carrying the ball, trying to locate his team members. And Rafael with the ball, and the ball he passes to another player. And Vanta with the ball again, and he passes to Julius. And this time Julius missed the ball and ball is with Rafael and Rafael tries to shoot and he missed. Oh, 2 points. That's a nice basket, 2 points. Scoreboard, Blue House is with 8 points. Again the ball is with Vanta. Vanta passes to Julius. And Julius to Methuselah. And then that's out. I don't want any students standing near the scoreboard. We are difficult to see the board. Rafael is with the ball and trying to look at his team members. Ball. And then it's 2 points. Blue House 2 points. They're reaching very close. Yellow House is 13. Blue House is 10 points. Ball is with Vanta and Vanta misses 3 points. And Julius gives the ball again. Julius shoots shot and he missed. Come on, again the ball is with Julius. Julius is playing amazing. He's a football player, but you can see he has improved in basketball. Vanta with the ball, and Vanta is confused everybody. Some foul. Again ball is with Rafael, is trying to locate his team members. Try to mark your man. Rafael is taking the ball and is trying to pass, is trying to locate, and he shoots but he misses out. Come on, players, you need to be very sure when you score the point, you cannot miss. And the ball is at Adit and trying to locate for his team members. And he shoots and he misses. Again Vanta and Julius, he missed. The ball is with the Blue House and Rafael passes to someone, I don't know the name. Okay. The Miss and Adit carrying the ball, trying to pass to Vanta. Vanta is carrying the ball and is trying to locate his men. Mark the people and Methuselah with the ball. And Methuselah shoots but he misses. Right. Come on, Blue House carrying the ball, trying to locate the people. And then they miss. Nelson with the ball once again, and he passes and he shoots but he misses. The ball is still with the Blue House and they are having tug over there. Okay, Rafael trying to shoot, and he goes 3 points. Blue House 3 points. Now 30 each. 30 now. Come on, Methuselah. This is 10 point. Come on, we need to have better pass. Come on, students. Yellow House, we need to have better passing as well as Blue House. You are in equal points now.
Equal points.
You cannot miss to shoot wrong. Oh, the ball is with Karika Adit, and Adit is trying to shoot the ball with 3 points. And he gets 3 points.
Wow.
Yellow House, 3 points. The game is 16 points and Blue House 13 points. Only 3 points less. 2.5 minutes we have. Oh, that's a 2 points for Blue House. 2 points for Blue House. 2 points for Blue House. So we have Yellow House 6 points and Blue House 15 points. So 1 point difference. Vanta with the ball. And Methuselah tries to shoot for 3 points. Adit. 3 points. That's a superb shoot with Adit. And the yellow house score is now 19 and blue house 15 points. Is in the game. The ball is with Rafael and the blue house. Julius has become very active. Yes. And the blue house and good defense there with the yellow house. The ball is with Rafael. Rafael trying to pass and he has 2 points. Rafael blue house 2 points. The match has become intense. Julius with the ball and then Nelson is struggling. Come on, blue house. Again ball with Vanta. We look at better strategy now. Adit and Adit shoots and misses. And the ball is with the blue house. Rafael. Time is 10, 1 minute, 10 seconds. Okay. The ball is with the blue house. And he tries to pass, that's out. 1 minute remaining. For this quarter to get over. The ball is with Vanta. Vanta is trying to look at his 2 numbers. And he is taking cool. Metasela is having the ball. And he shoots for 3 points. But misses. And then the ball is with the blue house. Blue house trying to look at. Ball goes to Vanta. That's a foul, I guess. Time is 40 seconds. Yellow house, Metasela, we have 26 seconds. Metasela with the ball and is trying to dribble. And he passes to Julius. And Julius trying to locate. And he shoots 2 points. Yellow house 2 points. And time is 10 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Time up. And over to Gopi. Thank you, Robinson sir, for the wonderful commentary as he's going back to this class. 9th G. Now we have just begun the 4th and the final quarter for the inter-house basketball tournament, and the next 8 minutes will decide the winner. Next 8 minutes will decide the champion. Is it going to be blue house or yellow house? The boys are great. And Omkar gets a 3-pointer for the blue house. Blue house 2 points. Omkar. Here we have got final quarter for deciding the winner. Blue house came back strong with 19. It's just only 2 points difference. Rafael passes to Harbia back to Rafael takes it in and he misses it. Omkar misses it. The ball is out. Okay, blue house with the ball. Takes it or misses it. No. Yellow house, Vanta with the ball, passes to Julius. Come on, let's move on, come on everyone. Vanta comes in, trying to shoot, passing. Oh, that seems to be foul there. Too much of time taken. The ball.
Hey, see now these guys. 90%. It's so funny.
Nelson, okay. This is the ball.
It's so funny.
Okay. Harbia with the ball. Harbia still dribbling and passes to Adit. That's a nice take by Adit. Okay, the ball is again back to the blue house. Rafael with the ball, still in control. Vanta giving his best to block him. Harbia got a free. And Omkar misses it once again. That was quite close. Yellow House Adit. This seems to be a foul, I think. Now the ball is with Blue House. Oh. Armaya. Oh, this is it. Adit with the ball. Adit trying for 3-pointer. Oh, this is it. And nice time passes to Harbin again. And it's 2 points for the allowance. And Blue House with the ball. Omkar passes to Julius with the ball. Julius. Adit with the ball. It's 25 for Yellow House. 25.
Not yet.
There's a timeout. Timeout from the Blue House. Okay, the Armaya. And it's 2 points by Jason. It's 21 for Blue House. 21 points. Good comeback from the Blue House. Let's see whether they can take the lead. Omkar with the ball. Omkar misses it. And that's the Blue House. We're going to. It's Blue House. Omkar with the ball, passes to Rafael. Rafael passes to Nelson. Nelson tries for 2-pointer. Oh, misses it. Omkar misses it as well.
Yes.
10D, kindly get back to your class. 10th D. Julius with a 3-pointer. That was an easy chance. Pekka with the ball. Pekka passes to Wanta. Wanta passes to Adit. Adit is going ahead, passes to Wanta. Wanta also nice tackle from Omkar. Omkar still in control, passes to Jason. Jason tries for 2-pointer, misses it. It's Adit. Adit with the ball. Yellow House with the ball. Adit tries for a 3-pointer. And it goes out to the Yellow House.
Yeah. Cool. Target is good, no?
Yellow House still in control. One card to Julius. Julius tries for 2-point, chases it. Amaya. Amaya passes it to Rafael. Rafael.
No.
What is it? 8H, kindly get back to your classes. 8H. And students, please see that no one is standing near the scoreboard here. It's 25-21 Yellow House point. By the two Yellow House with 28
2 points, 2 points.
Taking the lead to 28. Yellow House. Sorry, 2 points, sorry. 2 points, sorry. It's 27, 2 points. Yellow House 27. Adit loses the ball and it's with the Blue House now. The lead is still 27-21. Nelson passes to Omkar. Omkar 22 points. Blue House 23. Julius with the ball. Julius trying for 2-pointer. Oh, this is it. Blue House, you can still do it. 27-23. Yellow House. And time. We still have 1 minute 30 seconds remaining. 90 seconds to go. Adit with the ball. It's 27-23. Oh, that's reasonable. That was very close. Adit still in control. Tries for the 3-pointer. This is it. It's Biels. Rafael with the ball. One. It's Wanta to Julius. Julius has got a good chance. Nice pass to Pekka. Misses it. 1 minute remaining. 1 minute remaining. Yellow House 29. 2 points. Yellow House 29. 1 minute to decide the champions. 1 minute to decide. Blue House. Oh, that's Omkar with the ball. Oh, gives a wrong pass. 37 seconds remaining. 30 seconds remaining. The points are still 6 points ahead, Yellow House. One car takes it. Passes to Pekka to Adit. Adit back to Julia. There seems to be a ball here. No. Blue House. It's 16 seconds remaining. Blue House, come on, you can do it. You can do it. We've come to the last 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's a Yellow House. And the champions of the basketball tournament. Yellow House. The points tables, it's 29-23. That was quite close. And congratulations, Blue House. You have done an excellent job. Blue House have done an excellent play, and Yellow House have come out victorious. Now, for all the spectators here, Yellow House are the champions of both throwball and basketball, both the events.
Come on, yellow, here.
Students, we have got ATM card of Bank of Maharashtra. ATM card.
Hey! Careful, guys, careful.
Kindly come and collect it from me and the behind the pin.